Good morning. My name is Sandra Patricia Marin. I am a student of Public Accounting and the National Open and Distance University UNAD. Answering the question, how has technology changed human life in your community? I believe that technology has changed the life of all the citizens of the Herrera Township, improving communication, strengthening community progress, innovating in the agricultural sector, and promoting education through the use of new technology for the field. It is very important to implement technology that's always the optimization of recurse and the commercialization of products online, taking into account the question, what positive and negative aspects do you consider your community has in the usage of technology nowadays? I think that the negative aspects that technology I have brought my community are related to excessive usage of technology tools. We cause people to the extent like little time with family, friends, pets, sports, and community life and family relationships and social relationships. Considering the positive factors the technology how broad, we can mention the implementation of new agriculture practice, innovation in education, and in private communication. Thank you very day.